Eric Benke, he has this quickness advantage when it comes to Romel Adukol. And that's the advantage as well when you play someone during practice. Alam mo kung anong kaya mong gawin dun sa player na yon when you do face him in a game situation.
Pasok ang unang free throw para kay Meng.
Pero nakikita natin, sabi mo nga, parokya ng Pure Foods, sila rin pinahihirapan rin yung mga nag-free throw para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Offensive rebound para sa Ginebra. That's keeping them in the ball game. With over 7 minutes to go in the opening quarter. Here's Meng against Adukol. Meng on the move. Meng trying to muscle his way inside, but a whistle is blown. And that's going to be the third foul against Adukol.
He just has that confidence advantage when it comes to dito kay Romel Adukol. And Romel Adukol obviously will have to move out now. Actually, si Mark Pingris nag-aantay na dun sa scorer's table. Gusto niya nang palitan si Romel Adukol. But good job on Barangay Ginebra realizing that Adukol has 2 fouls and to attack him.
Pero Mark Pingris coming in para palitan si Adukol. Samantalang si Mark Macapagal is checking in to replace Ronald Tubig.
Yan nata yung pinakain mo ng queso de bola na maalat.
Hindi nga nasobra sa bibingka itong si Eric. 7.5 to go in the opening period. Score natin 8-5 in favor of Pure Foods. Bola na kay James Yap. James Yap, where's he going? He fires and scores. Score the basket para kay James Yap.
What the referee is saying, alam natin, yun yung bagong rule. Pwede mong tapikin pag nasa ibabaw ng cylinder yung bola. Ang sabi naman ng referee, nasa loob na yung bola ng cylinder.
Kumakalabog na sa loob. So, fifth point para kay James Yap. 5-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Reeves is having trouble with the basketball. Finds Salvacion. Switch it over to Macapagal. Macapagal goes inside. Tinulak-tulak doon si Mark Macapagal.
That play started off with that nice pick and roll. After that pick and roll, yung depensa ng Pure Foods had to adjust. If you move the ball quick enough, merong magkakaroon ng sitwasyon na yung depensa humahabol na lang sa'yo gaya ng si James Yap dito kay Mark Macapagal.
Two out of 2 for Mark Macapagal, and that cuts down the deficit to 3 with 7 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Raymundo on the right side. Raymundo cross-court pass. Here's Roger Yap from the corner. Big with rebound number 4. Elterbrand, double team. That will leave Meng open, and he will miss the rebound. You know, despite the shooting woes of Ginebra, what is saving them in this game is their offensive rebounding.
And they have done good with those offensive rebounds. Nakita natin pagkatapos sa mga offensive rebound na yun. This is the second time after an offensive rebound that offensive rebounder gets to the free throw line. Problema nila, yung free throw shooting nila is just at 60% at the moment.
His first free throw for Davis as Pistol Pete. Peter Jun Simon checks in the ballgame at agad-agad bumalik itong si Ronald Tubid to replace Sunday Salvasor.
There was gonna be a quickness differential there, advantage para sa Pure Foods, kaya kinailangan bumalik itong si Tubid.
Time out muna tayo sa ating Christmas Day Showdown. Lamang po ang Pure Foods 10-8 here inside the Big Dome. Matapos po magsimba, either kagabi o kanina umaga, ay sama-sama pong sumugod dito sa Araneta Coliseum ang mga taga-barangay Big Dome at ang mga taga-parokya ng Pure Foods upang panoorin ang ating second game sa ating Christmas Day doubleheader. Ang laro po natin ngayon, laban ng Ginebra at Pure Foods. At ito ang big bonus matchup between two all-star centers, Eric Meng para sa Ginebra at Herbie Raymundo para sa Pure Foods, TJ Giants.
Both guys coming off excellent games. On one side, nakita natin doon si Eric Meng had a double-double, 12 and 10 against Coke. Ito naman si Kirby Raimundo, 10 and 14 against their last game against Air 21. Kirby has been consistently doing double-doubles as his numbers show. Ito naman si Eric Meng, nabanggit nga natin, yung numbers niya sa season na to, konferensyang ito, worst in his career. Pero sabi naman ni Coach Joey Chico, mukhang nakikita niya naman, nagkakaroon ng positive improvement dito.
6.5 remaining in the opening quarter. Here's James Yap, hounded by Macapagal. 3 to shoot. At bola na agos ni Rivas, pero counter steal by Roger Yap. Ito na si Raimundo. Raimundo, handoff. Ay, nabitawan.
But we did mention the good numbers of ito si Kirby Raimundo. Ang isa sa mga problema niya is turnovers because he averages 3.5 turnovers a game, and that ball going straight to our cameraman.
May naiwan niya ang mantikita dun sa mga daliri ni Kirby.
Lahat ang iniisip mo yung pagkain, ha? Halatang busog na busog ka rin ang Pasko, eh.
Here's Macapagal. Swallowed up by the defense. Giants up by 2. Roger Yap. Spins. Fires. Airball. By the way, Billy Mamaril has checked in here para sa Ginebra to replace Eric Meng. That's going to be a foul against Roger Yap.
Pushing ball at number 13, Roger Yap, penalty. That's the first foul.
Quite early penalty situation para dito sa Pure Foods. They've got 5 on the other side. Etong Ginebra, iisa pa lamang. So expect Ginebra to pound the ball down low and try to get more fouls from these TJ Giants.
Ginebra struggling from the line. Misses mula kay Helterbrand.
Only 50% as a team. That's 6 out of 12 para dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
At lamang pa rin ang dalawa. Pure Food, 5.5 remaining in the opening quarter. Here's Fingris outside. Simon, here's Roger Yap. Inside Raimundo. 4 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Raimundo fires and scores.
That's a tough shot para dito kay Kirby Raimundo. Rafi Rivas did all that he could to stop that shot. Pero that's his pet moves. Once he does that shake and bake, tapos fade away, paborito niya yan.
4 points para kay Kirby. Here's Mamaril, handoff, Helterbrand. Helterbrand trying to go baseline. He fires and misses. 4-point lead para sa Pure Foods. And James Yap, former MVP, with a spin-a-roll. Man with a million moves.
Kita natin on that move, the conviction of James Yap on that spin move. He wanted that basket and he got it.
The man with a million moves, James Carlos Yap, unstoppable on that play. Pure Foods, labang po ng 6.
Pasko dito sa Kaya naman talagang dinadayo ng mga tao. Eto nga si Mang Amelito ng galing pang Tarlac. Mang Amelito, ano ba naisipan nyo at bumahe kayo papunta dito para sa Pasko?
Para maglibang ng ganapin ko rito yung Pasko sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum.
Okay, and Mang Amelito, kanina sinasabi nyo meron kayong gusto batiin ng Merry Christmas. Sino ba po yun?
Yung misis ko nasa Hong Kong. Binabati ko ng Merry Christmas at Advance Happy New Year.
Well, they've come from all over the archipelago, all over the world para makisalo dito sa Christmas Day presentation ng Tibig. At talagang ang tagay natin dito, sama-sama, ha? Ito. Go to the east, to the west. Ginebra is the best.
Dapat tambasa doon, go to the east, go to the west. Ginebra is the best.
Oh.
Ganun yun.
Pero kasi nga naman itong mga taga-Barangay Big Dome, ever so loyal. Even if Ginebra is struggling dito sa ating Philippine Cup.
Speaking of struggles, they have struggled from the floor. 1 out of 9. They've struggled from the field. 6 out of 12. Kung isipin mo, it's a 6-point lead. That's not a big hole compared to how bad they are shooting dito sa ating quarter na to.
Both from the field
and from the free throw line.
Big Mama, Billy Mamaril with 2 misses from the stripe.
What is that? 4 straight misses para dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
Deerfield holding on to a 6-point lead. Bola na kay Dingley. 4.5 remaining in the opening quarter.